So today I'm going to discuss some designing tools. Okay. So first of all, I will tell you like how to use the Canva. Canva is a free tool. It is a paid version also, but in the free also we will get lots of features actually. Okay. So you have to visit the canva.com, and then you will get a login page where you have to log in. Actually, nowadays in digital marketing, the poster is required. Poster or Instagram post, whatever, the creativity is required. But if you don't know, then how you will do? Means somehow you have to create the some small images or something. So because of interacting your things, so that you can post the same thing on the Google, on the Facebook, on the Instagram, and also we are going to log in on this Canva. And then after that, once we will log in on the Canva, it will redirect to the dashboard of Canva. And just log in with the Google. You can also use the Google or for Facebook or Apple, anything. Okay. So once I log into the Canva, so I just reach here on the dashboard. Once I reach here on the dashboard, so there are lots of options here, like which type of document you want and all. Okay. And for example, here, for example, Instagram post and all. So which type of post you want to edit, these all you can go with see all options also. So you will get, you can choose blank also, blank. Otherwise, if you don't know, obviously you don't know like how to design, so best part is you can choose related to your theme. For example, if I'm going with anyone, okay, uh, for example, if I go with this oxybases, okay, so I'll just click on this, and it will come here. Okay, now I want to change this text, oxy iteri. So I want to change it to my organization name. So I double click it here, and then after that delete. Then for example, I'll let it here how logical. So it is written how logical delivery menu. Instead of delivery menu, I want to write, for example, uh, contact 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 us, for example, and we put mobile number. For example, it is look like this. And then if we want, we can, for example, this is not source on one line. If we want to make it in the one line, so we can increase this size also. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, so this will now comes under a line. Okay, now make it center. Okay, so how logical, contact us, I already put it. If I want to change the image, you can change the image also. I don't want to change, it's perfect, because anyhow I'm going to take this like as it is, so that's why I look the nice. So that's why you can also search here the templates also. If you want to search anything related to some other industry, I'm just choosing a one random. Okay, then this is the page 2. If you want to change this one, you can also do in the same team, you can do this also. And then after that, the best part here is you can download here. From here you can download. If you click, it will show you. Okay, you can download in PNG format. Okay, you can download and you can use as your Instagram post or Facebook or Google, anything. And you have lots of option actually for the templates, so where you can choose the different templates or poster, banners, many things is there actually. It's a huge a big library here, where you can take according to your requirement. You can take the what you can say, posters, or like for example Facebook post, Facebook covers is there, YouTube channel arts, many things is there actually, like from blog banners, that also you can click and you can edit. Like that you can work it from the Canva, and without spending any amount, easily. If you don't know anything also, you can drag and drop and you can make it the things. Okay, if for example it's not possible to work on Canva also, so in that case, you can use some other tool also, very basic. You can't customize many things, but at least for your work you can do something. I will show you the paint, how we will work on the paint tool, which is already available on the Windows, almost all the laptops. So right click here, then we'll go open with paint. So we'll come here in the paint, and then after that my image is here, it's already there. We can't customize more on this paint, but what we can do, we are on this paint page. Then after that, for example, if I want to write the text, then we already selected this option, and then after that we will make it a drag, and here I'll write best digital marketing company, contact us for any digital marketing query. It 09020. So the thing is, I have written here. If I want to change the color also, I can change the color also. We can change the font also, make it bold, it is bold, or whatever. And then after that we can move here also. Like for example, I don't want this position, I want to put it on this position, so I can make it on this position. Okay, but you can't do more customization. You can work with what you can say text and all. Okay, and then after that you can save it from these options. You can save as png, jpg, or whatever. You can save it and you can use it for your Instagram or whatever the post. Okay, this you have to search, this image you have to search from the Google or anywhere, and then after that you can use and you can work. Okay, now if the canvas is the intermediate things, this is the very basic, the paint. Now I'll show you the Photoshop, how we will work on the Photoshop also. Okay, so first of all you have to open the Photoshop. So I already opened the Photoshop. Then after that I'll go here, then I'll open some image file. Okay, for example, I want to put the logo, so I'll just open the logo. Okay, as well as again I'll go to the file and then open the file, my image, actually whatever the image is there. So I open here, it is opened. Okay, now I want to put the logo, for example. So I'll go here on the logo that I opened earlier, Control A, Control C, copy, and then after that comes on this icon and then paste it here. It's already pasted here. Okay, then after that I click here, I'll drag it here, then Control T to transform, and then we'll make it little bigger. Okay, the logo is placed perfectly here. Now I want to put some text also on this particular image, so I'll come here. There are lots of tools actually, cropping tools, erasing tools, many tools is there, gradients, colors, but it's a basic thing that I want to do. So I'll just select the text. After selecting the text, I'll just come here and create a text box. Okay, on text box I am going to write here best digital marketing company. Okay, contact us and 988 Okay, now I want to Wait just a minute. Yeah, I want to move this one little bit down. I'll click here, then I'll make it little bit down, and look, this poster is ready. You can make it more creative to you. If you want, you can write it here also, you can write it here also, wherever you want you can write it there. Okay, now for example, this color is not look good. In that case, again I'll come here, then after that I select all the text. After that I click on this color here in the top, then I'll select any color, for example blue, and click OK. So this blue color appears here, and then after that we will save this one and we will use on the anywhere, like wherever you want, and according to the size and all you can customize and you can use it. You can put the text, you can put the banners, offers. If you want to merge to image, you can merge to image here in the Photoshop also. Okay, you can check the color balance here. Here some options is there for the color balance, that also you can do. So these all are the designing tools which are required. Today I'll explain you the Canva, how to use the Canva, then Paint, how to use the for the basic things, Paint, and if you are little bit professional, so you can use the Photoshop also. Thank you.